Well, the experience of using Office Store in N97, I think the key experience you get out of it is that it's a one place, one-stop shop, so to speak, where you can get all kinds of content that make the N97 really meaningful for you. So you get games, you get apps, you get all kinds of personalization, stuff like themes, ringtones, pictures, and it's all sort of recommended to you so that it's always relevant for the situation you're in. I think something that people might not be familiar with is that all of the Office services really are designed so that they work both on the phone and on the web, and they really complement each other. So the Office Store as well, you can download stuff on your phone, but you can also browse all the content and even download content also on your PC with a big screen, a web browser. So that's something worth trying out. And also it's designed to be a social service, so you can read reviews of other people who've also downloaded the same content. Trial is the best way to get the most out of it. Launch Office Store from your N97, see what's available, check out all the different channels, because there's separate channels for games, apps, personalization. Read the user comments, leave your own comments to make it meaningful to other users as well, and have fun. There's definitely action ongoing all the time, so there's new content coming in. There's both stuff that Nokia is developing, there's little small publishers putting their own stuff up, and then there's big houses with branded content, and all of that is appearing all the time. And then of course our guys are also working on developing new versions of the store, making the store application itself even better and adding new features, and I think we'll know more about those when they come out.